What's going on, yo? It's Uncle Biz right now, about to get it in and show y'all how to make, you know what I'm saying, hustler hard pizza, you know what I'm saying, with just 2 ingredients. I'm telling you, once again, 2 ingredients, dos, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, keep it locked right here. Subscribe, comment. All right, man, this 2 ingredient pizza, all you need is basic self-rising flour. Man, Greek yogurt, you know what I mean? Simple as that. Self-rising flour, Greek yogurt. I'm telling you, yeah, I tell you, makes the best crust ever. 2 for 1, basic, whatever. However much flour that you use half the amount of yogurt. Okay. But the thing that makes this so like untouchable is the fact that the sourness of the Greek yogurt, man, just kind of offsets the flavor. Just ridiculous, man. I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. I'm telling you right here. Build some up, man. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you subscribe. A cup of flour, self-rising flour. Once again, doesn't really matter. If you're really health conscious, then you can go ahead and use whole wheat flour. That works as well. If you have regular flour, then just make sure to add some baking powder to it, and that'll kind of give it the self-rise aspect. As you can see, we got a nice huge cup, probably a half since we got. Add some other stuff, some rosemary, some garlic, you know, some oregano, something to your crust, to the flour, you know. But if you do, then you want to go ahead and separate that. But like I said, I want to use 2 ingredients, you know what I'm saying? If you ain't got a mixer, if you ain't got a hand stand or a stand mixer, if you don't have anything that you can use your hand mixer, you know, then you can go ahead and kind of do it the old school way, you know. So that's what I'm kind of got to do right now. And you basically just want to go ahead and mix it on up until you get the nice little dry, kind of thick ball.
Like it turns into a dough.
Yeah, exactly what we're doing. You know what I'm saying? If you had a stand mixer, you put a dough hook on it, and you kind of basically do the same thing I'm doing now, rolling it around and kind of get it to kind of conglomerate.
Yeah.
And incorporate all the ingredients. You know what I'm saying? For all you people who like big words.
Yeah.
Multisyllabic. You know what I'm saying? Straight up. You know. Yeah, we know a little something down here, but bottom line is, this is what we're doing.
Yeah.
Keep it going and keep it going, you know. So once this is all mixed up, you'll have a nice big ball, kind of sticky to the touch, somewhat slightly sticky to the touch.
And we're gonna come back to that once it gets there.
Yeah. Hey, just a small tip for those who don't know: get you some Crisco or something, some grease. Wipe your hands in. You gotta stop the stuff from sticking from your hand. So as you see now, we're incorporating everything, making that dry, moist mix, getting it good and wet. You know, I ain't a chef or nothing, so I have the proper diction or the proper vocabulary to explain everything. But you'll get kind of what's going on, and you'll see the results at the end. I'm telling you, man, this stuff is incredible.
Doing just fine. Action speaks louder than words.
Yeah, right on to the originator, whoever this is. I saw this on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? From a guy named Shotgun Red. You know what I'm saying? Who's no longer here, so rest in peace, Shotgun Red, on the Shotgun Red channel. You know what I'm saying? So you know what I'm saying? Bless the dead on that. You know, this guy was a big dude from Tennessee, I think, or someplace down south or something. But you know what I'm saying? He said that he got a recipe from, I think he may have got it from somebody else, but I seen it on his channel. So, you know what I'm saying? I got to give the brother credit. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, you know, like I said, rest in peace, bless the dead. We're going to keep on beating this dough, getting it on, trying to show you how to make this great, fantastic pizza. You know what I'm saying? With 2 ingredients. Hustle hard pizza.
Sound like you made a dough legacy, bro.
Do something. You know, not me, but you know what I'm saying? I'm benefiting from the process. You know, straight up. I ain't make the game, but hey, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and play it and play it to win. So anyway, we're gonna come back to this. Like I said, as you can see, the get a nice ball. So like I said, once again, I'm gonna keep working it and come back once I'm ready to knead it out and show y'all what's up with the So once we start kind of getting it set up and getting ready to layer it out. So,
Okay.
peace. All right, I'm about to roll it out here. A little flour on the joint. For all you party people out there, make sure you wash your hands and socially distance, and you know what I'm saying? Make sure you ain't spreading COVID, you know what I mean? Go ahead and roll this out. Start to smell fresh already. Appreciate you, brother. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and roll this out. Fast forward until we get done and show you all the finished product.
Good.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, we good.
Peace.
We're back on, and then he's getting the dough rolled out to the end. He rolled it in the pan so it shapes up to the shape of the pan.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? If you're fancy, you can throw it up in the air, you know what I'm saying? Like the people doing Italy or whatever, you know what I'm saying? I'm from the ghetto, so I ain't got such talent, so I ain't gonna even try to even begin to try to imitate nothing like that. So roll it on out, you know what I'm saying? Roll it on up. I can't throw it on up, but I can sure roll it on up, you know what I'm saying? All good, all day, every day, you know what I'm saying? So I'm sure while we rolling, you know what I'm saying? Rolling dough. I'm trying to tell you, get that dough roll on all day, you know what I mean?
Yep.
Hustle hard pizza. Go ahead and start to apply our sauce. Now I'm only gonna put out half because it's good too. Because I like to put some more over at the top, you know what I'm saying? Kind of as a garnish. But, you know what I'm saying, however you do it, you know what I'm saying? Hustle's good, hustle your way, you know what I'm saying? As long as you hustle hard. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and start to like this around. Something easy, use a spoon to kind of make this a nice little circle. That way it spreads evenly. Now, if you like crust or whatever, you can go ahead and, you know what I'm saying, just take it out to around here. So where you got something to grab onto, but, you know, we ain't worried about that. We want it all the way, you know what I'm saying? Trying to eat good over here. So take it to the edge, man.
To the edge.
To the edge, man. Yeah. I need some more sauce, man. That's okay. Sauce is the boss.
Sauce is the boss.
Yes, sir. Dictate how the game gonna be played, man. For real. Yeah. It's straight up pizza sauce, man. It's not spaghetti sauce. Got to know the difference, man. And as far as the consistency, so your stuff don't come out all goopy and stuff. Last little bit. Till it's gone, man. Till it's gone. There it is. Now, we're gonna do it. Let's get some of this cheesy cheese on it. You know what I'm saying? What you know about it. Oh. All day, every day. That's hard. Got it falling on the ground. It's alright though. Let it snow, man. What's up? We're back on the block. Hustle hard pizza. Putting on the pepperoni. Yeah.
Pepper.
Those y'all don't know. You have it.
Some people think the pizza ain't a pizza without a pepperoni.
Man, I promise you, shit. Yeah. like good pizza, pepperoni, or sausage, or whatever you like. Basic bottom line is it's on you. Do what you do. However you like it, it's your pizza. Make it your way, you know.
Yeah.
Straight up, that's the best kind of pizza. It's your pizza, you know. You feel me? Man, I promise, cats don't know, you know.
Yeah, make it
Best
your way.
heck yeah. You know, I like pepperoni. Some people like sausage, hamburger, you know, goose liver, shit, chitlins, peanut butter, whatever the hell it is, you know, you want, man. You know, the bottom line is you gotta do you, you know.
Yeah.
That's what it's all about. Like the whole poker, you know what I mean? Straight up. So as you see, you about to get to the end. Here we go.
Yeah.
I just want cheese, want cheesy cheese, man. You know, like I said, you know, people can do what they do. It's just me, I like cheese. So, different kinds of cheese brings different kinds of flavor. I like different kinds of flavor.
Yeah. And what you preheat the oven to?
425, brother.
425 and leave it in there for how long?
About 20 minutes if she get it. All right, and here's the pizza right here. We're about to take it. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and put it in the oven. Set we got on 425. Put that in the rack right there. Right down. See you in about 20 minutes, baby. So hard. This is what's up. This is the finished product. You know what I'm saying? You know, Hustle Hard Pizza. You know what I mean?
Sharp you do.
You already know.